Lesson 20, Session 1, page 454. Write in the missing numbers. Remember to look for patterns as we count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and what number goes here? Let's see. If we have tens and ones, if we have 11, that shows one group of 10 and 1 1. If we have the number 19, we have one group of 10 and 9 ones. Here is my group of 10 and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new 9, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is the number 19. If I add one more 1 and just add one more to the 9 ones, I no longer have 9 ones. I made another group of 10 and I need to move it over to the tens place. That means tens and ones. I would now have 1 10, 2 tens in my tens place and 0 in my ones place. So 19, the number after 19 has 2 tens and 0 ones. So what number comes after 19? 19, 20. 21, 22, 20. Look at this. 3, 3. I bet there is a 3 right here. 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1. But there's still a number here. This is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Look at these patterns. All of these in the ones place are the same. They all have 6s. But the tens, 1, 2, 3. Look at here. 5 in the ones place. 4 in the ones place. 4 in the ones place, 5 in the ones place, 6 in the ones place. What do you think is going to be in the ones place here? Right? A 7. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we can fill in patterns by looking at the clues that we see around the 120 chart. 91, 92, 93, 94. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what number goes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And they all have here 9 tens, 9 tens, 2 ones, 9 tens, 3 ones, 9 tens, 4 ones, 9 tens, 5 ones, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Whew, now we're in the hundreds. When we have hundreds, we have hundreds, tens, and ones. 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 So we have 100, 0 tens, 1 1, right? 102. 100, 0 tens, and 2 ones. Notice that the hundreds and tens are not changing. If this is a 1, a 2, what do you think the next number is going to be? One group of 100, 0 tens, and 3 ones. Looking for patterns. So 93, 103, 113. 94, 104, 114. 95, 105, 115. That's adding tens every time. Now let's look over here. After the number 9, up here we had 19. Right here, we built it. We had 19. We had one group of 10 and 9 ones. When we added one more 1, we made a 10 and had to move it to the tens place. The same thing happens when we have 109. Hundreds, tens, ones. If we have one group of 100, 0 tens, and 9 ones, that means we have 100, no tens, and 9 ones. 3, 4, 5 new line, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ones. If we're going to add one more number to get to the next number, we could add one more 1 here. But what happens? We made a group of 10. We no longer have 9 ones, we have 10 ones, which means I have to move it into the tens place. So now I have one group of 100, 1 10, and 0 ones. One group of 100, 1 10, and 0 ones. So 109, the next number becomes one group of 100, 1 10, and 0 ones. 100, 100, 10, 120. I wonder what's next. 111, 112, 113. Look at this. Are you starting to see a repeating pattern here too? Let's look at, I want a different color. I'm going to choose green. So here we have, look at up here. We have 12, 22, 32. Here we have 92, 102, 112. 112. 14, 24, 34. 94, 104, 114. I think I'm seeing patterns. Here it says 6, 96, then 106. And if I have the number 106, what would be 10 more than 106? That means that I have a number in the hundreds place, a number in the tens place, and a number in the ones place. That means I have one group of 100, no tens, and 6 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5 new line, 6. If I'm increasing by 10 every time, I could add 1 10 stick. That would give me one group of 100, 1 10, 6 ones. One group of 100, 110, 6 ones. Let's see if this makes sense. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. It does make sense. What do you think would be next? If we have 16 up here, if I have the number 16 at the top, here's 16. What comes after 16? 17. So guess what comes after 116? After 116 would be 117.